We're very much looking forward to sharing some exciting news with you today. We've launched the Explorer Project, an initiative from LGmobail that aims to breathe new life into what makes a smartphone.
We have actively collaborated with LGmobail on ways to optimize the performance of the products of the Explorer project that will bring new and different experiences to consumers.
Let's now see how the device can be used in real life.
You can multitask with the multi-windows features like any other smartphone. As you can see, having the second app on the second screen is infinitely better than any multi-window feature. When I get a call, it comes in on the second screen so that nothing appears over the navigation screen as it's running.
Gimbal mode can be accessed instantly when you open the camera and swivel up. You want to see how we made it? So I'm going to use gimbal mode for this shot, which will make it really smooth as I'm running down the street.
3, 2, 1, go.
No, wait, don't go.
So that one was shot in pan follow mode?
Yeah.
Let's do it in follow mode.
No, wait, don't go.
Next, we edited the video. You can scroll through the thumbnails to see a preview of the videos. You find the best take, click on the edit icon, and it takes you to the video editor app. By having the controls on the second screen, that frees up your main screen for the footage. Then swivel down and upload the video. So there you go, a new magic video.
So to help me, I've prepared a little session with the engineers of the LGWING who'll be able to give me an in-depth breakdown of what makes this phone so unique.
Products featuring flexible displays in the current smartphone market need to be unfolded or open to experience its usability. We thought a lot about how consumers can use multi-screens without having to change the habits they're already used to. LGWING, before swiveling, retains the experience of existing smartphones, and by swiveling up the main screen when needed, opens a whole new usability. It was the most optimal way to realistically render a familiar but new and different user experience.
When we considered the design and structure of LGWING, our highest priority was to ensure the components are durable even after repeated swiveling motions, and when swiveling the screen, to provide a smooth and natural, luxurious feeling. Simultaneously, we faced the challenge of reducing weight and thickness of the device. Through this process, a final weight of 260 grams was achieved, making LGWING the lightest among new form factors.
Stress tests, shock tests, as well as touch sensor and key press tests. Among the numerous tests, we focused most on the bending test. After testing swiveling movements more than 200,000 times, we found that a steady motion was maintained even after extended usage. Also, we tested its basic quality by conducting more than 20 tests in various environmental conditions, including heat, cold, humidity, dust, and water. Water and dust resistance were also provided by applying a water-repellent coating to support it for everyday use.
Take flight to new spaces. LGWING.